Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Sunwad. I am Janvi and today we have a very special guest, Dr. Rimika Kapoor, an environmental engineer, sustainability professional and the founder of Green Loop Clean Tech. Ma'am, it's truly an honor to have you with us today. If I have your permission, ma'am, may I begin?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, let's begin with your childhood. Could you share a little about your early years and what kind of environment you grew up in?
So, I am born and brought up in Delhi, and all my education is from Delhi itself. So, I was always a science enthusiast, and I used to open the cassettes and the tape recorders, and I had this feeling of digging into the electronics and the machines. So that is why I opted for PCM, and because I loved physics, and then I went for mechanical engineering, and my masters as well as PhD I did from IIT Delhi, and I developed a machine, a technology where we can purify carbon dioxide and utilize it in applications where fossil-based carbon dioxide is used. So we can call it as green CO2 or bio CO2. And then I started with Green Loop Clean Tech. It is into sustainability reporting, and we also help in developing zero waste campuses and helping the nation towards achieving net zero targets.
That's wonderful, ma'am. Every student has a unique journey, school journey. How was your student life? Were there any subjects or activity that shaped your interest early on?
Yes, as I mentioned, I always had interest in science, and physics was the main subject which I loved, and I still adore physics and doing the difficult numericals and the questions. And my father was the principal of the school where I studied. It's in New Delhi. So he is the main reason behind me selecting PCM and going. And my grandfather is the main force behind me selecting or opting for engineering as a course in my graduation.
That's such a lovely memory, ma'am. Ma'am, today you are known for your incredible contribution in the field of sustainability and climate innovation. Could you tell us how your journey began and the turning points that guided you in this profession?
So during my PhD years, or maybe if I go a little bit back, so when I was doing my master's from IIT, so I was given a project on analyzing the hospital waste. So when I went to different hospitals and studied about how different waste which is generated in the hospital is being managed, what is an incinerator, where is the incinerator facility in Delhi. So I was really touched about the amount of waste which is generated in the hospital, and the incinerator facility which is burning the waste and managing the hospital waste. Then during my PhD, I worked on bio waste and helped me in managing the bio waste in producing biogas, which led to the development of the technology which I have a patent on.
It's inspiring to see how passion can guide a career path. What was the biggest inspiration or motivation behind choosing this career path? Was there someone or maybe an incident that deeply influenced your decision?
When I was into my research, so I analyzed and calculated the amount of waste which is generated in India and the potential of utilizing that waste into different ways. So be it through bioprocessing or waste to energy production. So this led me to come up with my startup, Green Loop Consulting. So Green Loop, along with Go Sharpener, we help schools in adopting a sustainable pathway, as well as we help organizations to adopt zero waste pathways and account for their carbon emissions.
truly motivating, ma'am. Ma'am, before we wrap up, what message would you like to give to the young students listening to this podcast?
So see, waste is something which you cannot emit totally, but we have to find ways where you can manage or where you can reduce the amount of waste which can be generated, and you have to think of alternate ways if the waste has been produced and how to manage it, and ways in which you can find alternate to not use that object or not to use that thing.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your journey with us. It was inspiring to know about your childhood, your experience as a student. To all our listeners, thank you for joining us in today's podcast of Sanvad. We hope this conversation with Dr. Rimika Kapoor left you inspired and motivated. Thank you and Jai Hind.